Hey everybody, it's Kip here. Today what I want to do is I want to break down the differences between virtualization, emulation, and simulation. All of these technologies are loosely related, but there are some major differences between them, and I want to hopefully break down some of these differences so you can understand what they are and what you can expect when you're using each of them. Now, I've got a great video dealing with virtualization, so if you're interested in learning more about virtualization, check it out. Now, I do mobile development. Within mobile development, I use an Android emulator and I use an iPhone simulator. These are different types of technology. Now for mobile development, this gets really interesting. So for example, Android is an Android emulator. So you guys are probably familiar with emulators as far as like gaming systems have emulators for different handheld devices and different gaming systems, right? So basically what happens is it takes the entire OS, the entire system that's been written for that hardware, and then it basically clones that into a software device. It's very specialized. For this, it's an Android phone. It acts just like an Android phone because it is an Android phone, and everything, every feature that existed within the hardware has been cloned, and it is the actual operating system. So just like a virtual machine, the entire operating system is running on this emulator. But the emulator is only dealing with the Android specific device. So when you're dealing with like a Game Boy emulator or any other emulator, it is specific to that OS. Now the Android emulator is large in size and it's a little bit slower because it is firing up the entire phone system and all of the core features that comes with an Android phone. Anyways, I think it's important to know the differences so that you can use the terminology correctly. So if you like this kind of content, give me a follow. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments.